Hello everybody, welcome back to the dirt road. We got two of these pretty guns out here today. They're both 22s. This Mossberg M46 model 46 rifle, and we've got the Heritage Rough Rider Cowboy Tactical 22 pistol. It does have the rail on it, the fiber optic front sight. And if you sight through that notch on that rail right there, it's fairly accurate. Matter of fact, it's about the most accurate one I've got. I think it's because of that sight on that on that rail there that I just get a better sight picture when I'm aiming, and seem like I can shoot it a little better. But we're gonna give it a try today. And we're going way down there, long range. And I'm going to see if I can hit that swinging target down there, the big one in the middle. I might give it a sling a few shots at those small ones, but mainly I want to see if I can hit something this far away. It's 30 yards. That's pretty long ways for a pistol, but we're going to give it a shot. Get back with you. Alright guys, I don't believe I've ever tried to shoot this pistol here at this distance, but we're going to give it a try. We're all loaded up. Let me get my plugs in here, my hearing protection. We're going to take a few shots with it, just for fun. Dang, I believe I hit it. It's swinging. Hit it again. Let's try one of those little ones. Missed. Missed. That's it. Tell you what, that was a lot of fun. I'm going to load up here again, turn you guys around where you can see the targets. You'd probably rather look at the targets than look at me. And I don't blame you for that. Alright, that's all of them in the picture there. Yeah. I had a buddy of mine tell me he just hates these single action revolvers. It just takes so long to load them, and you only get 6 shots, and he likes something with a little bit more capacity, semi-automatic, I think. I like them pretty good. I like these single actions all right, though. I mean, it takes me back to my roots. All right, let's see if we can hit that big target. that one. Alright guys, let's go again. Let's go back to that middle target again, guys. See if I can hit it a time or two more. I ain't gonna hit it shooting like that, am I? Well guys, let me tell you, this ain't no, I'm not propped up on a bench here. I'm just shooting this freehand, so let's go down there and get that big target and take a look at it. See what we got. Be back with you in a minute. Alright guys, as you can see, this is an 8-inch plate at 30 yards. And even at that distance, I was getting some hits on it. I think I skinned it a little bit right up there. And I hit it there, at least once, maybe twice. There, and I got a couple right here at the bottom of the circle. So, you know, that ain't too awful bad for me. I know most of you guys could probably do better than that, but for me, offhand, shooting a Heritage Rough Rider at 30 yards, I'm going to call that good. That's probably my personal best, probably. And anyway, we appreciate you guys watching. If you want to, hit the like button. If you hadn't already done so, subscribe and hit the bell notification. You'll be notified on when we post a new video. And we appreciate y'all, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.